This is called the Moss Stitch, and it's very nice and sturdy. I'm using the hook that the yarn calls for. This is a worsted weight yarn, and I'm using an H hook. So this is done on an even number of chains. Wonderful, like maybe for a washcloth or a headband or turban. So very nice. So let's get started. You want to make, again, an even number of chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have 12 here. And then I am going to single crochet on the 4th chain from my hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet there. Now I chain 1 and skip 1 chain and go to the next one. Single crochet there, chain 1, skip 1, and go to the next chain and single crochet there, chain 1, skip 1, go to the next one, single crochet there, chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet on the last one. So now you're going to chain 2 and turn, and all other rows are the same. Once you have your 2 chains up, you single crochet into that first space in between the 2 single crochets. So single crochet in there and chain 1. So single crochet into the next space and chain 1. Single crochet into the next space and chain 1. See where all your V's are from the row below, so in between them. So go in there, single crochet and chain 1. Go into the next space, single crochet and chain 1. Go into the next space. Let's see where here it is. Single crochet and chain 1, and on the last chain 2 space where you did your 2 chains, you single crochet and chain 2 and turn. So let's do that row again. You're going to single crochet into that first space, chain 1, single crochet into the next space and chain 1, single crochet into the next space and chain 1, single crochet and chain 1, single crochet and chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and go into that same chain 2 space that you did at the beginning of last row, and chain 1, chain 2, and turn, and you repeat that row over and over. Look how pretty that looks. Such a nice stitch. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe.